Hi, Bea.
Hi, Mommy.
Yes, hi.
I love you.
I love you too. Are you gonna totoy mommy or not totoy mommy?
Not
And who will totoy to mommy?
baby.
You want a baby brother, a baby sister?
Baby sister.
Why not baby brother?
Because it's Arte.
Your baby brother is Arte?
Yeah.
Your kuya's Arte?
Yeah.
Why is kuya Arte?
Because it's calling you.
Kuya calling me?
Yeah.
Is Bea Arte too?
Hmm?
Are you Arte?
No.
Then why not baby brother? Kuya wants baby brother. He don't like baby sister.
I'm baby sister.
What do you want?
Me, baby sister.
Baby sister?
It's not hard.
What are you doing, Bea?
Getting a monkey.
Hey, that's bad, you know.
Because I'm getting a monkey.
Hey, Bea.
What?
You totoy to mommy. You totoy or not totoy? Hey, my God. Are you totoy or not totoy?
Not a toy.
If you totoy, what will I do to you?
Follow.
Okay. Oh, promise. Thank you, Bea.
Welcome.